Hi everybody, foXnoMad here, and today I want to help you travel smarter by showing you election 2020 in Washington D.C. Now, I don't know what this will entail, so I just arrived in the city. It's about 1 or 2 in the afternoon. I know there's a Black Lives Matter protest at 4 p.m., which I'm going to be going to, and then after that I'll probably come back, watch the elections, see how it's going, and then see what's happening around the White House, if there are any celebrations or if there are any protests, or just sort of in general. But to start this video off, I did notice that a lot of places were boarded up, so a lot of restaurants and a lot of the hotels here are boarding up their windows, preparation for what may or may not happen tonight. So places are either boarded up or they're actively boarding them up right now, which is about 6 hours before the polls close on the East Coast of the United States. So that's the situation. I'm just gonna hang out here, maybe walk around a little bit, and then head over toward Lafayette Park and head toward Black Lives Matter Plaza, where there are going to be some demonstrations around 4, and just show you what's happening. Alright, so it's about 4 p.m., 5 p.m. right now. A lot of people are starting to get here. It's starting to get a little bit crowded. It's a jovial atmosphere, a lot of angry people here as well. The people here are definitely Biden supporters, I'd say 99%. And you can see they built this wall, sort of this fence, all the way around the White House. So you can't even get close to it, and it's pretty far away. I take it just to show you. So it's pretty far away. You can see a little glimmer of the White House, but otherwise there's 2 sets of pretty sturdy fences. One set of fences here, another set behind, and everybody else on this side, down there.
I put the blood of Jesus. It's the blood of Jesus.
Do you mind if I ask you what brought you out today on camera?
Jesus.
Jesus.
It's all about Jesus.
Yeah?
Our focus is Jesus. You know why? Because Jesus is the answer to all the problems. If everybody looks to Jesus as their Lord and Savior, they don't seek after evil. They seek after righteousness. We need Jesus. There's a lot of people here that are going to hell. But if they repent and believe the gospel, they're going to go to heaven. We preach Jesus and Christ crucified alone. It's all about Jesus. Jesus. I love you guys. I love you. It's the love of Jesus. And that's what we preach, the love of Jesus. I love you, man.
What brought you out today?
Well, you know, every day is 420, but today was a very special day, as we know. It was 11/3, and Postcards, when he came out of the wilderness a few years ago, one thing he did was make people happy, make them smile. And that's all I'm here to do today, is just make people smile. And to spread a little of the cheer around. You know what they say, a doober a day keeps Trump away.
So the crowd is really mixed. It's a lot of journalists, a lot of just all kinds of different people, a lot of people voicing their opinion or writing their opinion about that fence, and more police just sort of filing in as it gets crowded and more crowded. But it's kind of like a pretty festive atmosphere. I mean, I think people, based on what I can tell, it's like almost like it's so much like a party right now. I think people feel like their guy is gonna win, and the guy who's currently behind the fence is not gonna win. But I guess time will tell. Polls are still open for another 3 hours or so at this point.
What brought you today?
I'm with Refuse Fascism, and I'm here because there is a fascist regime in the White House that is illegitimate. It is illegitimately in power already. It is a regime that has put children in cages. It is a regime that has unleashed terror on black people. It is a regime that's threatened the lives of women and LGBT people and the basic rights of people. It's a regime that has to be removed from power, and we need to be in the streets in our millions with the demand Trump Pence out now. And I'm here tonight as part of getting into the streets to do that and calling others to join us. Thanks.
I want to worship Jesus. Whenever you worship the Lord, His presence comes into the atmosphere. And this atmosphere needs Jesus. So we worship and He comes. And this has been like such a beautiful time today. All in here. The peace of God, the beauty of God. It's just been all in here today. Oh, I wanted to bring a shift in America so that we stop killing our children through abortion. And I want him to bring America back to its foundations. People that loved God and knew Him and followed His ways. Because that's what America is. That is the fabric of America, is prayer. Founding fathers were prayers. They loved God. They served Him. So we need to return to the beginning. We need to return and remember Him. Sorry? Oh, yeah, I definitely do. Yeah.
What brought you out here today?
I'm concerned about the dismissal of science by this administration, and I think that we should trust Fauci and we should vote Trump out.
Do you think your chances are good tonight?
We're hoping.
Not a lot of Trump supporters right now?
I know.
So what brought you here?
What brought me out here tonight, I'm showing my 110% support for my president. I appreciate what he's doing within the African American community, within the HBCU colleges, the historical black colleges, universities. He has invested in financial aid. He has invested in computer programming. Look what he's doing within industrial plants, increasing employment. Look what he's doing within the African American community, increasing Social Security Administration by 2%. I can't stress enough what he's doing with international foreign affairs summits. You feel me? He's active. Within the last 2 days, he's been in 6 states. No president has never done it before. You feel me? And I appreciate what he's doing from the bottom of my heart. I love my president. I'm going to die for my president. I'm going to ride for my president. He has my full back.
What do you think his chances are tonight?
His chances is high. Victory is ours. We claiming it already. That's why I'm out here. You feel me? I'm out here. I'm the first artist in the hip-hop nation to support my president. You can look at all the artists like 50 Cent, Jay-Z. These are weak rappers. These are weak rappers. They don't want no problems with me when it comes to the music business. And I'm going to put that on my Lord Savior Jesus Christ. I put that on my law enforcement. You know what I mean? We have the best law enforcement in the United States history of America. If you think you're going to disrupt America's motion tonight on Election Day, you will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law, and I mean that.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it, man.
What's up, man? Look, I'm Ty from Get Strong Fitness. This is my brother Ace, man. And we're a company that's based out of D.C. We're partnered here with a group called Spaces in Action, and we're bringing fitness to the end of Election Day to make sure that the community is connected to health and wellness and supporting voting. We had a GoGo truck that came down, played some good GoGo music, tying that into the culture of D.C.
I didn't want to be at home watching the results myself, so this is a nice group party atmosphere.
What does your flag mean?
It means that, the people of color are Americans too, and they deserve all the rights afforded to all of us. And they're not getting it right now, and I'm just trying to reinforce that.
Yeah. So why'd you get dressed up and come out tonight?
I mean, it's 3 days after Halloween, so I thought more people would be in the festive spirit, but I guess I'm the only one who thought to dress up a couple days after Halloween, so, is what it is. Yeah, future Donald Trump, so it fit the year 2020, might as well, so. Maybe, we'll see. But so far, a lot of Biden supporters, but no bad language, no nothing. Just lots of laughs. So that's what I came here for, make people laugh and have a good time. Cheers, man.
So on Memorial Day 2019, we founded Americans for Impeachment. We spent last year on a mission to get Trump impeached. Obviously, at the end of the day, Congress didn't do its job. And now we're here tonight celebrating because the American people are sending a message, and we're going to get done what our politicians could not and get Trump out of office once and for all. So what we did was we made these postcards. So any American could just send a message to Trump. They are pre-addressed to the White House, so you can just write your message to Trump, put it in the mail, tell Trump exactly what you think of him, and also support the U.S. Postal Service while doing so. Thank you so much.
All right, so it's about 40 minutes now until the polls close, at least on the East Coast. The crowd is more or less the same size, but there is a lot more police. You can kind of see more police just around riding bikes in groups of about 10, but so far everything is pretty relaxed. I'm just out here just talking to people, asking why they came, why they're here. So why they're here at Black Lives Matter Plaza, what they're doing for this protest, and you can see people have a lot of different reasons for being here.
We're here with the movement for
We're here with this group.
Okay.
trying to get a third-party candidate for 2024 so we can have actual left policies as an option for president in 2024. So we're out here trying to talk to people, and experience the night together with everybody.
And did you make this?
No, my buddy made it.
He's over there. Yeah. That's the architect right there.
It's very comfortable. He's really good at it.
Yeah, it looks heavy.
It's well made, so it's not bad. Yeah.
So we're out here with the People's Party. We really want to just connect with voters, connect with the community here. This is obviously a historical moment, so we certainly just want to introduce ourselves as a new party. We want to get candidates on the ballot very soon. We hope that everybody gets a chance to check out peoplesparty.org. If you feel like the Republican or Democratic Party has failed you, come check us out. There's a place for you with us.
Black Lives Matter! Black Lives Matter! Black Lives Matter! Black Lives Matter! Black Lives Matter!
I've been here all day. My plan was to stay, take a few pictures, and go back home and watch the results. And I just couldn't leave. You know, this is the best place to be right now, to see how this turns out. I feel good. I was telling the other guy, I said, this is the first day that all day I felt really, really good about this. I don't have any anxiety. I don't know if it's because I'm here, but yeah, I'm 60% sure that we're going to hear something tonight good.
You're going to stay out until the final results?
I'm going to try to hang. I might sleep in my car tonight because I live in Maryland, like 45 minutes away. I might not be able to make it, so I might have to take a nap in my car. But it'll totally be worth it, you know? Totally be worth it.
Alright, so I just got back now to watch some of the election results come in, but basically things started to get a little bit more tense around the square. A couple of people around told me to basically that it's probably not a good idea to hang around. I saw a lot of the media starting to leave the area, people throwing firecrackers, and a lot of police just sort of coming into the plaza. So I decided that was time for me to edit this video. Hopefully the night goes by calmly, and we'll see what the future holds. But I just wanted to give you this look into Washington D.C. right outside the White House, and during an election time, during a very contentious election, during a very tense election. So hopefully this gives you some idea of what it was like. And yeah, hopefully you enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below. And while you're down there, hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll have new videos for you every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.